two products are from the same brand but works differently, and I'm going to be telling you how you can use this product as well as a body lotion to get a brightening effect in like 2 weeks. Now, hello guys, welcome on here. In my previous video, I told you guys what product to avoid if you don't want to self-sabotage your skin. But in today's video, I'm going to be telling you the only two products you need to brighten up your skin fast for those who want to like really brighten up. Now, you should understand that brightening is way different from lightening. So this particular video is for effective skin brightening. I mean fast skin brightening. You're going to be needing a shower gel and a body lotion. These are the only two products you'll be needing to enable your skin brighten up as fast as possible. Now, we've already established the fact that you need to exfoliate your skin, you need to take supplements, and you need to incorporate body oils, and last but not the least, of course, which is the most important, sunscreens. Right now, that fact has already been established. But what body lotion and shower gels can you use to enable your skin brighten up without giving you white patches, strawberry skin, or even enhancing your stretch marks? That is the one of the issues that I've seen a whole lot of people have, like people complain about, that what can I even use to brighten my skin? It's not everybody who wants to lighten up. Now, brightening is you enhancing your skin complexion. It's not you doing too much. It's not you wanting to move your skin from current shade to another shade, like just like that. Brightening is just basically you promoting your skin shine, skin glow, and making it shine. Just like you have a black shoe that is dusty, you need polish to make it glow and to enhance the dark color, right? I don't know if that makes any sense, but anywho, first of all, you need a shower gel. I have two shower gels with me here. This is the strong whitening shower gel. It's made with glutathione, kojic acid, as well as biotin. Now, this helps to hydrate useful skin and also fade away dark spots, and it is an anti-aging shower gel. Now, this on the other hand that is already out, you guys can see that I am already out of this is what I am currently using. Okay, this is the SK Duchess Hot Orange Blossom shower gel. This is the premium glow shower gel. Now, what this basically does is just to glow your skin, moisturize your skin. It doesn't do so much, especially when it comes to skin lightening. I heard a lot of people advertising this, like I've seen a lot of people advertising this as a lightening product, but this is basically a brightening product. If you're already light skin complexion, you don't want to do too much with your skin. Maybe you have a really sensitive skin and products like easily react badly on your skin or easily give you vast reaction, then this is a product you want to consider. But then again, if you are looking to really brighten up your skin, you guys can ignore any noise because my neighbor is having an occasion, so people are busy making food and you can hear pounding noise here and there, but that's okay. Just pay attention to what I'm saying. Okay, the one we're going to be needing for this purpose is this particular one with glutathione, collagen, and biotin. The reason why you need this one is because you want to enhance your skin glow, enhance your skin complexion, which means you want to brighten up your skin. Remember, shower gels are not leave-on products, they are wash-off products. So it means that the moment you apply it on your skin, highest you can leave it for is maybe 10 to 15 minutes, depending on what you're doing in the bathroom. Personally, when I'm taking my bath in the bathroom, especially when I want product to work effectively, like I want to really see results with product, whatever it is I'm using in the bathroom, I like to just pre-cleanse my skin with any soap I have there. Like you can use any pre-cleansing soap to pre-cleanse your skin, and then go in with your shower gel, or maybe after exfoliating your skin, go in with your shower gel, leave it to sit for some time, and then brush your teeth. Use that period to do your facials or other things. You can even shave, just to allow this soap sit on your skin for some time. That's what I do. Right, I was doing all of this soap is doing whatever it is doing its thing on my skin. 5 to 10 minutes I rinse off. That is what I do to get an effective result when using shower gel, or maybe when relying solely on shower gel to give me like a very good effect, especially when my shower gel seem to be stronger than the body lotion I'm using. Okay, so that is what you want to do if you want to really brighten your skin. So after exfoliating your skin, or maybe after pre-cleansing your skin, exfoliate your skin, then go in with your shower gel. When you go in with your shower gel, something that would enable you delay in the bathroom before rinsing off. You don't want to use your shower gel on your skin and immediately you're going to rinse it off. You don't need to do that. So now back to what I was saying. Shower gels are rinse off products, or soaps are rinse off products. So for this routine, you obviously would want a shower gel that is slightly stronger than your body lotion. This is because, again, shower gels are range of products. Does that make sense? Now, like I said, this SK Duchess whitening shower gel with collagen and glutathione is very good. It helps to lighten the skin, especially when you pair it with a lightening product, right? It helps to lighten the skin. It hydrates youthful skin. It glows and fades away dark spots. It has anti-aging property that will help firm up your skin. Basically means that it's going to help firm up your skin and also get rid of those wrinkles, fine lines, and all of that. One thing about this product is that it helps to fade away stretch marks, but it doesn't get rid of stretch marks completely. So don't go using it with the mindset of clearing off your stretch marks. This would not clear off your stretch marks, but it's going to fade it away. So you want to pair it with a body oil that will help fade it away. That's me just giving you a pro tip. Okay, now for the body lotion we are going to be needing, I'm going to be introducing you to two body lotions that you can incorporate or use in this body care routine to enable your skin brighten up in less than no time. Number one on the list is Neo Skin. Neo Skin is a product that is very, very beautiful, and it does the job really well when it comes to effectively brightening the skin and also retaining moisture on the skin. It's a very effective brightening body lotion that is very affordable as well. New Skin is selling for around 8 to 9,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. There are people that even sell up to 12,000 naira. It all depends on where you're getting it from. You do not have money for the New Skin. You see, this particular product here is a product I would want you guys to try out. If you have been an OG on this channel, you know that I never run out of my Nivea product. This is already out, as you can see. Now, this is the body lotion I alternate anytime I'm not in the mood to use my lightening product. So majority of the time, it is this one that I use on my skin. Now, what this helps to do on the skin is that it helps to brighten up the skin, moisturize the skin really well, and fade off make things like hyperpigmentations, discolorations, and all of the dark spots on the skin. It has cocoa butter, which helps to nourish the skin, hydrate, and soothe the skin. The main aim for this product is that it helps to moisturize the skin and also over time brighten up the skin. That is what this does. It is a very good for effective skin brightening. Another alternative you guys can work with is the Nivea Vitamin C body lotion, Beauty and Radiant, or Radiant and Beauty, the vitamin C variation. That also, because it contains vitamin C, it is potent in skin brightening much more than this. But the reason why I chose this is because this is going to deeply nourish and hydrate the skin. That does not really this one does not really hydrate or moisturize the skin because it's a body serum body lotion, right? So it does not really in-depthly moisturize the skin like that. So but you have a really dry skin, this one is the one you can pair with your SK Duchess shower gel. If your skin is like really normal, or you don't really have issues with dryness, you can go for the vitamin C one, or and this is the small one and it's selling for 3,500. So you can see that it is very much affordable. This is like under 20,000 naira routine that I'm sharing with you guys. Now for the vitamin C one, which is this one, is selling for I think 6,000 to 6,500. So it is that affordable. In case you cannot find any of this, Dove, any Dove brand, any of the Dove variations you go for is going to effectively brighten up your skin. Remember, it is not lightening we're focused on. Before you say, oh, which one is going to, in my next video I'm going to obviously list out products, like maybe 20 lightening products that is going to effectively lighten your skin in this 2026, product that are safe and that are going to give you real value for your money. For those who would want to ask, now this is a slow and steady product. This SK Duchess Blood Blossom Orange Shower Gel is a slow and steady product. You obviously will need to use up until this point before you start seeing results. That's just the truth. So since you might not really have that patience, and especially because your body lotion is not like an aggressive brightening body lotion, you need a bit of a lightening shower gel, like a shower gel that has maybe 5 times strength than your body lotion. That way is going to enable your skin brighten up evenly and really, really beautifully. Now, a pro tip from me to you, if you want your skin to really, really brighten up and get people complimenting or asking what your current skincare routine is, add a body oil. Oh my goodness, body oils cannot be overemphasized. And for this, I'm going to be recommending the Skin Point Boost body oil. This particular body oil on skin, I don't know, I find myself always recommending this oil. I'm not hyping it, but it is a very effective skin brightening body oil. It is written lightening, but I will not promise you lightening. It's going to effectively brighten up your skin. Another body oil is obviously the advanced Korean body oil, this particular one, which is the orange one, I guess, it is also very good for effective skin brightening. So it's going to obviously brighten up your skin when you pair these two products together and you add your body oil, no matter what body oil you chose to go for. But make sure you're obviously make sure you're literally going for a body oil that has brightening properties like vitamin C, niacinamide, or any like body oil that is not hot though, but body oil that way brighten up your skin completely. For those who want to ask, because I don't want you guys to come in my comment section and say, okay, in case I want to really like, I want to slightly lighten up my skin, what do I use? This one, you can go for this, but the blue one, I'm going to leave it on the screen. This is the body butter mild lightening body lotion. It mildly lightens skin, but it's a lightening body lotion because before you use to the finish point, you'll see that your skin will start lightening up. Now it has the other variation that this particular one, I have not used it before, but I've recommended to a few persons like caramel skin tone can pass using this particular product. So this also is going to effectively brighten up your skin. Like over time lighting your skin, that's what this one would do. So if you don't feel comfortable with any of the ones I have listed here, I'm sure you're definitely going to love this one. Thank you guys for watching. If you've watched up until this point, do not forget to give me a huge thumbs up, subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any video suggestion, please leave it down in the comment section and I'm going to film a video about it. You guys, thank you so much for the love. And for my new subscribers, you guys, I see you. We're going to have a Q&A when we clock 11,000 followers, okay? I've been looking forward to these days. So if you have, just prepare your questions. I'm going to, announce when we're going to, kick off with the Q&A. Just turn on your post notification bell icon basically. And so that when I put out that post, you guys can go ahead and ask me any question regarding your skin, anything about skincare, anything about me. Maybe you want to know stuff about me as well. You want to know more things about skincare, anything. Just basically the Q&A is going to be for anything, or maybe you can suggest a good topic for the Q&A. I am open to that. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one pretty soon. Until then, bye.